They didn't mean to say this on camera, but one astronaut right after returning suddenly said, "At the bottom of the ocean, it's dark and terrifying." That didn't sound like a mistake. It sounded like a slip. Now look closer at spacewalk footage. In the reflection of a helmet, some claim you can see the outline of a diver with a camera, as if it's all being filmed underwater. And it gets stranger. There's a theory that the ISS isn't even in orbit, but inside a massive pool where zero gravity is simulated. In some clips, viewers noticed what looks like a crew member holding a cup, casually drifting into frame like an operator who didn't hide in time. Then there's the water. In zero gravity, it shouldn't behave normally. Yet in one live broadcast, a glass of water stayed completely still for minutes, no movement, no floating, nothing. Others say the Earth you see through the windows isn't real either, but projected using screens or inflatable models. And if you still believe the Apollo missions were filmed exactly as shown, some think parts of it were staged elsewhere, with the most questionable footage never meant to be seen. Hidden away, leaked only in places they don't want you to look.